And our little Boler is complete. Welcome back. I'll give you a quick tour. This will be the last in this series of the Boler. There's still a few little minor odds and sods that need to be done, but I won't be doing any more videos on it. So let me give you a quick tour of the outside of what we've done. I mentioned previously that I had to do some work on this back bumper. So a couple things were done down low here. First, this little extension off this bumper bracket has been put in, so it lets me put in a bolt here. So now the the bumper is mounted on this point and this point on both sides, and that added a significant amount of rigidity. The second thing, I see I have a little slip here, is I've added a little bracket here that a little scissor jack can slide into just to kind of hold it in position. And then that can be tightened up and give a rear stabilizer. So that works really well. The other thing I did on the bumper is you notice that the spare tire now sits about an inch away from the back of the Boler. So that was the last change made there. And this has firmed up substantially. This used to bounce around an awful lot. It's much more stable now. Put on a license plate bracket and lamp, and that's pretty much it from the outside. We're all done there. So let me take you inside and show you what it looks like at this point. So stepping in, a couple hats hanging there. We have nothing has changed much in the dinette, except we're now cleaned up a little bit. We've got a blind that hangs there. This is from IKEA, and it's magnets, so you can just unclip it and drop it down lower and lower. We'll do a little bit of trimming on that to shorten it up a bit. And nothing changed here on our countertop. We now have a mattress in place with, again, a duvet cover from IKEA. Another blind on the rear window. This is our cupboard door now in place. As I think I mentioned in a previous video, this was a find in the IKEA as is section. It was a $20 door. So that's been cut to length and painted. And it holds fast by a magnet screwed in here and a little fender washer on this side that holds it in tight. Put some shelves in the closet, just with some adjustable shelving brackets on both sides. In fact, on this side I put in a false panel so that I don't have any screws coming through on this surface here. So this remains clean, but we have a little false panel here supporting that shelf bracket. And that is our tour. So, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you persevering with me throughout this channel. Oh, last thing we did, we put down a floor. This is a vinyl laminate floor, so it should be good for the weather. Yeah, as I said, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're on to new projects, so I'll see you on the next video.